Hi guys, Btech here. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock GPU tuning section on AMD drivers. This is normally locked for AMD gaming laptops, but from this method you can unlock it and do anything you want, like undervolting and overclocking. First, I will show you my device specs. So my laptop is Dell G5 Special Edition, which has a AMD RX 5600 mobile GPU. And also I got the Ryzen 7 version. But this method should work on all Ryzen 5 and RX 5000 series and 6000 series laptops. Before we begin, if you can subscribe my channel, I really appreciate that. First, download the file link down in the description. It will contain these three components, which will need to unlock the GPU tuning. First, install this application called More Power Tool. And also install this RBE tool. I have already installed those, so I'm not going to install them again. Now extract this zip file to a new folder. It will contain these two applications. From there, run the install64 for the first time and close it. Now copy this extracted folder to local disk C and paste it. I have already done that too. Don't worry about these extra two files, those are the ones I've already created. Now we need to create one of those ROM files. So let's begin. These are the codes you need to enter in order to get GPU ROM files. I will leave this on description as well. First, go to the location where we pasted the extracted file. Copy that location by pressing Ctrl+C. Now on Windows, search for CMD and run it as administrator. Now type cd, leave a space and paste the location that we have already copied and hit enter. Now copy this command and paste it. Put a space and type -i and hit enter. This will bring up the GPU ROM file. In order to save it again, paste the command and type -s. Now enter number 0 and type any name you want. But remember to enter .rom extension at last. Now press enter. Now close the command file. As you can see, there is a new ROM file in the folder. Let's close this as well. Now search for More Power Tool that we have already installed. Open it. From there, click on Button Load. This will open up a window. From there, choose the ROM file that we have just created. Oops, I forgot to select the GPU. First select it and then load the ROM file. Now select these exact settings as I do in Features section. Now go to the Power and Voltage section, from there edit the GFX min to 650. Now click on right SPPT button and close the More Power tool. Now the main part is done. Let's go to the Device Manager and in Display Adapter section, right-click and disable the dedicated GPU. Now enable it again. Also, you can reboot the laptop without doing this as well. Now close everything and open the AMD Adrenalin software. As you can see, there is now a tuning section. Here, let me show it again. Oh, it closed automatically. Don't worry if this happens. It happens only 1 or 2 times. Let's open it again. As you can see, there is now tuning section. Now you can do many kinds of stuff. Undervolt, overclock and change the power limit as well. These are the stuff I've already created. You can tinker as your preference and save them. If you need my undervolting files, just let me know in the comments. If you find this video useful, then like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you guys in the next video.